Alright guys, welcome back to Bite the Book. Today we'll be looking at August the 8th technicals. So, just from looking at it, it seems pretty self-explanatory, but you gotta be able to take advantage of that, right? Um, clearly, you know, it looks like we're going up, so we probably should be going up, right? We have highs that are up here at 29.38 as well as 29.50. So let's just continue and we'll look at our hourly and then go down and just break through these time frames. So, prior day we had a nice, support become resistance right over here. So I just left that there. And then also a little high that we made up here. Let me just fix that. Right. So now move down to our 30-minute. So on 30-minute, this is actually freaking beautiful, right? So price consolidates, after hours when the market is closed. We have our nice push up, close above the last highs, down to retest that last resistance. Resistance becomes support, push back up, right? So easy $11 move. But by this time I'm probably sleeping because like it's 11 o'clock. So now we get into the trade day, right? 7:30 market setting up, and we push up and push up. So now 9:30 comes, we get a solid push up and a close, right? There's also a retest too, right? If you notice, we closed above the last high, price came down within those 30 minutes and then pushed back up. There's also another support that was made right over here when it started to consolidate on the 30-minute. But we'll worry about that later. Once we look at the higher time time frames. So now 15-minute. So for August 8th, 15-minute. So again, beautiful retest. So market open, right? We pushed up, bent back down, pushed up again. Again, we still have a nice solid close. Price came down, right, to test the last highs, right? We have our high right here. We also have a high right over here too that price came down to. For me personally, I probably would have gotten in this price range, and that might have been stopped out. But anyway, price continues. I probably would have gotten again after the close of this, right? Price continues, and we make $20, right? Because I was saying actually more than that. I was saying 28.30, right? That's the last high that we got. The last high before this one. 28.14, 28.37. Yeah. We got 28.37. So let's say getting even over here. That's a 28.37. That makes us 131 ticks, which is a $32 move. 131 times the 4 contract times 1.25 times 131. So like that move alone, that's $600. So again, right, like if you're consistently catching these, right, even if you're losing trades, like you should be fine as long as your risk reward is good to the point where you're allowed to lose 3 times, 2 times, and still make a profit after only 1 win. So 15-minute, this is a big wick, so it might be kind of scary. But if you're disciplined and you enter on this price, at the 28.95, you could possibly make it out alive because you entered there 250. It barely touches it, right? It doesn't even touch it. If you notice, it's 1 tick away. And then again, right, you'll make a solid 29.38, solid $43 or $30-something depending on where you enter. Another entry point that would have been really good is even over here too, right? Over there we have the pullback down, and that's only one of our only bearish candles in this move, right? We have a pullback down and then again a move up, which again we could have taken to the 29.38, which is 100 ticks. And again, 100 ticks on a one contract, that's 125. That times 4, $500 easily. Easily. So you know, when we get closer to the 1 o'clock time, close to 1 o'clock, we consolidate a bit over here. We just add my other one. Yo, perfect. So we consolidate over here a bit before we actually move up again. So you know, price is in between this range, which is a $5 range, before it moves up and it pushes another $15 to 29.38, which is, you know, pretty golden. So now the 5 minute. I'm hoping the 5 minute, the retest is a lot more prettier, but we shall see. So on the 5 minute, on August 8th, it is not prettier, but our entry can be a lot better, right? So price comes down. Let's look, we entered here after, you know, we've seen the break. Price comes down again, stopped out. We notice this wick is friggin' large. Momentum is on the upside, right? Because by this time it's 950, and then we take this all the way up. Let's say you don't get that, right? You miss this opportunity, which is, you know, golden. You could always get in after this pullback, or even over here when it consolidates a bit again, for a solid $10 move or even $5 move. Anyways, guys, that's the technicals for August 8th, 2019. Let me know what you think below. Let me know what I can add. And as always, risk on. Bye.